In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively format your Microsoft Word document by using the column feature. This is a great skill to have, whether you're designing a newsletter, formatting a paper, or creating a professional report that stands out with a polished presentation. Let's dive right in and get started with some easy-to-follow steps. First, open your Microsoft Word file that you want to adjust. Make sure your document is clearly laid out with the text you want to format. This way, you have a good sense of how the columns will affect the layout. Once your document is ready, look toward the top of the application window. Here, you'll see a variety of tabs from which to choose. Click on the one labeled Layout. This tab is your go-to place for all layout-related customization options, allowing you to adjust margins, orientation, and size, among other settings. With the Layout tab open, focus your attention on the Page Setup section. This area contains several options, including one labeled Columns. Click on Columns to reveal a drop-down menu which will display several layout choices. Here you have the freedom to decide how you want to split your page. Depending on your document's needs, you can select options such as 2 columns, 3 columns, or even more specific settings like splitting the content to the left or right side of the page. After making your column selection, take a moment to visually assess how your content aligns within the new structure. Splitting the pages can change the flow of the document, so it's a good idea to ensure that headings, images, or tables are placed correctly and maintain the intended readability. This might be the perfect time to tweak any text or element positioning to make sure that the document looks seamless and professional. And there you have it. Your pages are now split into columns, and your document is formatted just how you want it. This straightforward process opens up a lot of creative possibilities, giving your work a clean, organized look that can greatly enhance how information is presented. To wrap up, you've successfully learned how to alter the column layout in Microsoft Word, a simple yet powerful tool that can enrich the appearance of your documents. This new skill not only helps in creating visually appealing documents, but also ensures that your content is structured in a way that's easy to navigate and consume. Whether it's a simple letter or a more complex report, mastering this formatting technique will certainly elevate the professionalism of your work. Keep experimenting with these features to see what works best for your document types. Happy formatting, and we'll see you in the next video.